My name is Khalil Hijazi and I'm the owner of the Tint World in the United Arab Emirates in UAE. We will be offering window tinting, ceramic coating and paint protection. And in the next couple of months we will be adding many more services. The team from the United States came and they supported us in opening the store. We have 6 of them who are helping us and 6 of the best 18 they've got.
I came here to visit my partners in the UAE to open up their first Tint World Automotive Styling Center. When Khalil contacted us, he told us that he wanted our brand over here. And after doing the research, there is nothing like this in the area. So we're so proud to announce that Tint World's here and deliver our experience of our business to all the people of the UAE. This is the first of over 6 stores that he'll be developing in the UAE.
عدنان حاجي، أنا مدير الصالة هون بتنت وورد. أكيد نحن هدفنا اللي أول بتنت وورد يكون كل شيء الجست عنا مبسوط من الفاليو اللي بدنا نعملها. نحن لسنا الوحيدين ولكن الأفضل، بس بتنت وورد الماركة الجديدة اللي جايين على العين نحن الوحيدين وإن شاء الله حنكون الأفضل بالسوق.
Ako pala si Roberto Cabal. Anim kaming Pilipino dito nagtatrabaho. Sobra akong saya, saka sobra akong excited kasi grand opening namin ngayong araw.
السلام عليكم، اسمي أحمد، أنا تنفيذي المبيعات في شركة تنت وورد الإمارات. في الفترة الحالية لدينا فريق تنت وورد من أمريكا وهم على أتم الجاهزية للقيام بعملية تدريب لأفراد الفريق شركة تنت وورد الإمارات.
I've been at this store for 2 weeks now. We basically got this store up and running. The staff was by far blew all our expectations. Very hard workers. They jumped right in, got their hands dirty, very eager to learn and participated in every part of the build out, the trainings, everything. Just an incredible staff to work with.
This family has multiple businesses in multiple arenas, and it makes me excited that they decided to purchase Tint World and go international with our system because they saw how we have passion, pride, and persistence just like their family.
This store is important because this is the first one out of many more to come. We have about 6 more stores that are going to be developed here in the UAE. This sets the foundation for everything.